Good morning, students. Today we will study about national income. Last time we finished by getting all the aggregates related to national income. How we get it? We discussed about the concept of national income and domestic income. To the income we can call product also. Why? That I have explained in the last video. It is because what we say that this is the two sector economy in which only the household and the producer sector works, and whatever the household is getting by this work, they spend in the purchasing of goods, and the producer sell the goods on only the cost. It means neither the household save something nor the producer make profit. So what can we say? That how much is produced in the economy has become the income. So national income is equal to national product. So in other words, we can call it national product, and to this we can call domestic product. Now to the national product I can write NP. To the domestic product I can write DP. Okay, I write NP, my name also, and DP. Maybe some of your friends have the initial with this name. NP is Neeraj Porwal. DP, whatever name you want to keep, you can keep. Okay. So now NP before depreciation, that is gross. I think you have remember the trading and profit and loss account. What you do in this? First, you write the direct income, that is sales. Then you write direct expenses, and then what you get? That is gross profit. From that gross profit, you subtract the indirect expenses in which depreciation is also included. Then you get net profit. Is it there? Yes. So from here, what you learn? That if you subtract the depreciation, then it become net. Profit is income. So if you subtract depreciation, then it becomes net, and if you are not subtracting depreciation, then it becomes, or then it is gross. So gross net profit, gross national income. Gross net profit or gross national income, whatever you can say. Then After them charging the depreciation, it becomes net. Okay, same gross, net. Here again, before charging the depreciation, gross. After charging the depreciation, net. Before charging the depreciation, gross. After charging depreciation, net. It is in the two sector economy. But when the third sector comes here, that is the government. What they do? They take taxes and they pay subsidy. What is the impact of these taxes and subsidies? It is that taxes increases the value of goods and subsidies reduce the value of goods. So, after paying taxes and getting subsidies, it becomes market price. What it becomes? Market price. Earlier, it is called factor cost. The cost on which the item, the commodity is being produced, it is called factor cost. After subtracting the tax, after adding the price of, after adding taxes and after subtracting the price of subsidies, it becomes market price. So there are the two ways to represent it, factor cost and market price. So GNP on factor cost, GNP on market price, NNP on factor cost, NNP on market price, GDP on factor cost, GDP on market price, NDP on factor cost, NDP on market price. Now, how to read this? G for gross, N for net. G for gross, N for net, MP for market price, FC for factor cost, then NP for national product, and BP for domestic product. So, G for gross, NP for national product, gross national product at factor cost, net national product at factor cost. Gross national product at market price, net national product at market price. Gross domestic product at factor cost, net domestic product at factor cost. Gross domestic product at market price, net domestic product at market price. Now one interesting thing about all these, that you can convert any of the aggregate into any other aggregate. For that, what you need to do? First, look at it. If you want to convert gross into net, what you need to do? look at the trading in profit and loss account. What you do there? After getting gross profit, what you do? You subtract depreciation, and then what you get, that is net profit. Here again the same you do. What we do, if you want to convert gross into net, we will subtract depreciation. What we do, we will subtract depreciation. Then this is the first conversion. To convert gross into net, what we need to do? We need to subtract depreciation. Then the second conversion that we need to do is to convert market price into factor cost. Now, how we do this? To convert market price into factor cost. What is market price? Market price of a commodity is the price after charging what? Indirect taxes and after reducing subsidies. Whatever the taxes government has collected, we charge it that price, and whatever the subsidy is being given by the government, we reduce the subsidy. We subtract the subsidy, and then it becomes the market price. So, what we do? We add indirect taxes and we subtract subsidy. Now, if we subtract subsidy from indirect tax, what we do? We subtract subsidy from indirect tax, that become NIT. Then indirect taxes. What is it? It becomes net indirect taxes. What you need to do? You just need to subtract this net indirect taxes from the price of market price, and you will be getting factor cost. To convert market price into factor cost, what you need to do? You need to subtract NIT, net indirect taxes. What is NIT? Indirect taxes minus subsidy. In other way, what you can do? If you want to convert market price into factor cost, first you need to subtract the indirect taxes because it has increased the price of the commodity, and then you need to add the price of subsidies because that has lowered the price of the commodity. So in that case, what we do? First we subtract the amount of subsidy from the indirect taxes, and then that is called NIT, net indirect taxes. When you are going to solve these questions of national income, the amount of NIT would have been given to you. So most of the time you just need, what you need to do? You need to subtract NIT. Okay. You have learned these two conversations. If you want to convert gross into net, what you need to do? Subtract depreciation. If you want to convert market price into factor cost, what you need to do? Subtract NIT. But if you need to convert net into gross, what you need to do now, because the process is reversed. So this sign will be reversed. It means what you need to do, add depreciation. Again, if you want to convert factor cost into market price, what you need to do now? What you need to do now? You need to add NIT. Okay. Now the third. What is the third change that you need to study? It is to convert national product into domestic product. In the national product, we add all the product, all the income earned by the residents of our country, normal residents of our country, and in domestic price, in the domestic product, the income of the non-residents of the country is also included. So here, what first we do, we need to adjust that. Look at it. Factor income from abroad. FIFA. FIFA. Many of you plays football. Many of you watches football. And you all are aware by the name of FIFA. It is association which take care of the sports of football. FIFA. Okay. Then factor income to abroad. FIFA. FIFA, and this is called FITA. What is called FITA? What does FIFA means? FIFA means the income which comes from the other countries, which is earned by the residents of our country. And what does FITA means? FITA means the income which is generated within the domestic boundary of our country by the residents of other country. Okay, so what we need to do? This is our income and this is others' income. This is our income which is earned in other countries, and this is others' income which is earned in our country. So what we do? We subtract FITA from FIFA. It means what we do? FIFA minus FITA. Factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. We subtract the amount of money which is going out from our country from the amount which is coming into our country. This is called NFIA. Net factor income from abroad. What is it called? Net factor income from abroad. Now, if you want to convert national product into domestic product. Now see, the amount of FIFA is included in national income. What do you need to do? You need to subtract NFIA. And when you reverse the condition and you want to convert domestic product into national product, what you do? You need to add NFIA. What is NFIA? It is FIFA minus theta. Factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Now you need to note these 4 and these 2. Sorry. One this and then this. These 6 items that you need to learn by heart. If you know all these, then you can convert any of the aggregate in other. Just see here. I'll solve one for you with as an example, and then we go through in the next video or next day when we meet. Suppose gross national product at factor cost is given here, and you need to make it net domestic product at market price. What you will do is to convert gross into net minus depreciation. To convert national product into domestic product, national to domestic minus NFIA. And now to convert factor price cost into market price, look at here, factor cost to market price plus NIP. So what I will do, plus NIP. Now this GNPFC has become, after solving this GNP has become NDPMP. So this is how you can convert all the aggregates. Now this is an homework for you. You need to convert all these and you need to learn this by heart. And if you are facing any problem, you may call and you can